G'day everyone, welcome to the Husky channel, back again today, and the topic for today is basically your verification PIN number for Adsense, which is basically what you have to sign up to get monetized on YouTube. Well, you can get monetized on YouTube, but to actually get your money from Adsense, or Google AdSense as they're called themselves, you need to receive a PIN number, and this is what I got in the mail yesterday. Just has the Google AdSense logo on the front, and on this side it's just looks like a pay slip. What you're meant to do is actually rip the sides, and inside would be your verification PIN number. Now I'll do this while you're waiting. There you go. So I'm just ripping that apart. Okay, remove edges, side edges first. Okay, so we'll just remove them slowly. I'm just bending them, so there's perforations on the edges. So we just, this one doesn't want to come off as easy as the other one. So we'll just, so we don't rip the thing, we'll just, there you go, and that will open up. And there's one more down the bottom here. So we'll just bend that to make it easier for me to take apart. There you go. And then basically you open it up for those who get their pay slips like this. Okay, and inside is your PIN number. So I'll just hide the PIN number there. Not that you can do anything with it, but it says here, step 1, sign into your AdSense account, google.com AdSense. Step 2, click on, there's a little icon for your payments. Step 3, go to account information, verify address. Step 4, enter your PIN. So the PIN number they provide here, well, it's only valid for my account anyway. So the PIN number they provide, you put in and you verify your address. Or so Google can verify your address. So that's basically it, Google AdSense. Now we're going to go onto my computer, and I'm going to do this on my computer so you guys can see what I'm actually doing and how to verify your address for monetization, which basically means once they verify your address, they can send out money to your bank account. So they need to verify it's you. So come to my room and we'll have a look on my computer what I do. Cheers, thank you. Welcome back everybody. We're on my desktop at the moment, and basically as you can see there, we've got the Google AdSense page. To get to this page, all I typed was AdSense in the Google search bar and found the Google AdSense home, and basically this is the start page. You've probably, once you've set up an account, you've come in here before, but to sign on or sign in, you just click on sign in at the top right hand corner there. So click on sign in, and that'll take you, should automatically take you in once you've signed in before. It's going to take a while because I'm actually screen recording and everything just goes a lot slower. And that's my Google AdSense page. As you can see there on the top, it says your payments are currently on hold because you've not verified your address. Now that is your actual home address, and you need to verify that. And what actually happens is Google AdSense will mail out a PIN number to you, and once you receive that PIN number, you verify your address. Now, as you can see down the bottom here, it says verify your billing address, and I'm going to do this live now. So basically, I've got the PIN number in my hand, so I'll click onto verify, and it says you have 3 attempts remaining. So put your PIN number there, so I'll just put it in. And basically submit. Your billing address has been verified, PIN correct, and it did say that you had 3 attempts. So obviously if you put it in wrong, it gives you 3 chances, and if you don't get it in 3 chances, I think you need to contact Google AdSense and find out what's going on. Your payments are currently on hold because you've not verified your address. Learn more, we've done that. And that's pretty much it. I think that just takes you into the PIN overview, how to receive a PIN number, so we don't really need that. I'll just refresh the page because that should come off eventually, or maybe it'll come off. Oh, there you go, it's come off. I'll just refresh the page, and that's it. So basically now I'm live. I can actually receive money from Google AdSense for my YouTube account. My current balance, as you can see there on the right, is $81.60. That's for 2 months worth of revenue. Currently on YouTube I'm on about $116. That's Australian. Once I get to the threshold of $100, they'll actually they won't mail out the money. They'll transfer the funds into my bank account. But that's pretty much it. How to verify your PIN number. So I hope all you people out there get monetized and you can verify your account as soon as possible and start making money. Cheers. Thank you very much for watching.